Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the journal junk box and the journal junk sack for January 2023. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so January 2023 journal junk box and journal junk sack just arrived. They did send me these for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this is going to be the very first unboxing of 2023. Happy New Year to you guys. We made it through another rough year, and now we're on to a new one. So new things are coming. It's a whole new year. Let's get through this year better than last. So let's go ahead and go through the very first box that I'm going to show you for this month. I'm super excited to see what is inside. I do want to let you guys know this normally does come in like a mailer bag. It's a mailer bag, and these were like this, and then there was this coloring book that was in between like this. So I'm assuming that this would have just came in this box, but it's a little too large. It's like almost the same exact size of the box, so it wouldn't fit inside of the box. So when you do open it for this month, you probably will have a book laying on top of your box. And I'm super excited. I love adult coloring books. So let's go ahead and just open up this box, and then we'll start with that first. This is how their box looks. Super cute. Definitely reminds you of journaling, office things, that kind of thing. And it's just really nice. You can even save the boxes for storage because they are constructed extremely well. When you first open it up, you do have this right here. So basically this is telling you if you are an active subscriber in your account, you have a link that you can send to a friend that'll get them $25 off, and then you will earn $10 for referring them. And then on the other side are like some prompts, and you could always use this as a bookmark as well. So it says journal prompts for growth. Where do I want to be in 5 years? One way I could love myself more is by... What does self-care mean to you? How do you practice this in your daily life? What is your best quality? What unhealthy habits do I need to change? So that's really cute. Again, you have all those journal prompts, but you could always use this as a bookmark. Then you have the monthly card. January, good things are coming. Yes, again, a brand new year. Endless possibilities. Let's have a wonderful 2023. This one has everything that is in the box and tells you the pricing. And then on this one, you will have your January journal prompts, and it's weekly. So week 1, what is my word for this year and why? Week 2, write a letter to 2021. Why would you write a letter for 2 years ago? Maybe it was supposed to be write a letter for 2022 for last year. I don't know. It says write a letter to 2021. That was a few years ago. I wouldn't write to you. Week 3, if you had 3 wishes for this year, what would you wish for? Week 4, how can you express more gratitude this year? That's amazing. So then in here, it does give you their card, which will go over their social media saying thank you for your purchase. And then here is the final presentation. Hey, journal babe, when you cut the sticker, that is what it looks like when we open the box. Let me get my little handy dandy card here. Again, let's go with the book first since that was on the top. It says coloring, bring vintage style illustrations to life. So that's what the front looks like. It says happy coloring. Ooh, and it goes that way. There's a monkey. I guess there's all different stuff in here. That's pretty. Oh, like a fox, a bear. The animals are not really vintage, but I think that's super cute though, all the different things that you can color. It's a little different. So you have animals, looks like some nature, all that mixed in there. So that is awesome. This one here says Everyday Gratitude Adult Coloring Book, valued at $12.99. So that is in there. I'm not quite sure if there's different styles and designs, like different, different ones that they did, or if they're all the same one, but the coloring book will be in here and it's $12.99. Okay, so I'm going to remove these little tissue papers that's right on top. Ooh, Oh my gosh, this is so much cuter in person. So not like it's not cute on online, but it's just so much cuter in my hand. If you do follow them on their Instagram, they do put little spoilers from time to time, so you can kind of get a little sneak peek to something that could be in the box. And they showed these pins, and it has the crystal on it, and I was so excited. I think they were all purple, if I remember correctly. Let's get this open because I want to show you what this looks like. It's so cute. It does say, live each day with intention. Yes. Healing crystal pin clear quartz. So this is what it looks like. So you have your clear quartz right there with your beautiful pin. Elevated crystal pins by Elam Design. This is valued at $8.99. And again, once I saw that crystal, I was so excited. Of course, if it was teal, it would have been even better because that's my favorite color. But I can't always get what I want. Let's get it completely out of the box. But that box is super cute. It has little stars on it. And then here is the pin. So you have your clear quartz that has a dangle-in right there. It is a clicky pin. So as you write, you have your crystal hanging. That is so cute, and I love that. If you guys follow me, you know I am so into crystals and all of that. So once I saw this pin, I was like, yes. I was so excited. This is valued at $8.99. Now we have is a 10 count of gel glitter pins. So there's all those different colors in there, glitter pins. This is glitter gel pin set of 10, valued for $9.99. So there's that. So it's 10 of those. Now we have is a set of washi tape, and it has, looks like there's some stars and rainbows. I couldn't think of it. I'm like, what am I trying to say here? I'm trying to say a rainbow. It says that there's 2 rolls. Let me actually just open this completely up so we can see what they look like. It says Boho Rainbow Washi Tape Set by Paper House. Okay, so this little one, it says Shine Bright, Colorful, Good Vibes, Happy Day. So it goes around with just these little words that go on there. And then this one is the one I was like, it looks like some stars and some rainbows. So you have like this star right here, and then all of these different rainbows that go around. So you have the 2-piece washi set, and this is valued again at $4.99. Now we have, it says, This Is Us sticker book. I love when there's different sticker books because there's so many different things in there that you can use for anything. This has 307 pieces. Be Kind to Your Mind is what this one is called. It's a sticker book by Paper House, and it's valued for $6.99. So let's see what kind of stickers we have on here. Ooh, that's pretty. So there's that. And then there's that. So again, that's 307 different stickers that are all in that little pack. Now it says, You Are Enough. It looks like it's a greeting card by Elam Letter Press. It's probably all blank inside. Yes, it is. So it's a blank card on the inside. You have your envelope, and then the outside says, You Are Enough. This is valued for $5.50. We have something inside of this box. I was dying to find out what is in here. So it's an all white box. Is it a mug or something? Yes, it is. Let's see what it looks like. Aww, it's like a little like cup mug thing with the straw. I've never seen one this like half the size. That's super cute. So you have a little drinking straw on top, and it's by Slant Collections, and you have all of these little flowers, and it has a shiny gold lid, and it just pulls right off. So it's not even a twist lid, it just pulls right up. And yeah, so you have this cup right here, and it says, You Move Then Matter? No, You More Than Matter, I guess it says. You More Than Matter. 10-ounce tumbler, $8.25. And again, this is by Slant Collections. That is super cute though, and I like that it's not a big old tumbler, so if you want something small to drink or for like a kid or something, you have this smaller one. I think that's really neat. So you have that, and then you have the journal for this month, and it looks like it's a little pack. It says know your worth. That's so cute how everything matches. You are enough. The cup says something and they kind of match, and even the sticker colors match. That's one thing I really love, that they stick with the whole theme, and it'll be everything with that theme or the same color or something like that. And I really like seeing what they choose in their boxes. So it's so cool how they match. So this one again is the Elam Journals set of 3. And there's 3 different ones in there. I'm not going to open these because I'm going to set this in a future giveaway pile because I have so many journals. I'm getting them every month. I can't use all of those. So I definitely want to share with you guys as well. So I'm going to keep this one wrapped up and put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But this one says Know Your Worth. 3-pack of journal set by Elam Designs, valued at $14.99. And I really like that they're starting this year off in January with basically self-care. Know your worth, and you know that you are enough. And I really like that they use that for the theme starting for a fresh new year. So I love all the colors too. It's so bright and colorful. So that is everything in the Journal Junk box. You have a 3-piece journal set. You have a blank greeting card. You will have this tumbler cup. You have the sticker set, the 2-piece washi tape. You have the gel pens, this pin, and then the adult coloring book. So that is everything again that came in January's box. My only thing is I kind of wish instead of this being gel pens, these were colored pencils, you know, to go with the coloring book, because I don't color with pens. I color with colored pencils or crayons. So only thing that I just kind of wish is that there were colored pencils instead of pens, because you already got a pen right there. But that is what we get for this particular month. Now let's go ahead and dive into the Journal Junk sack and see what is going to be inside of here. So this would be, if you want to dabble into the subscription, but you don't want to go to the full box, you can grab this one and you just get like a little mini version of it, but everything is different. So like the journal could be a different color or a different theme, and the stickers, everything is a little different. So if you got both, you won't have repeated items. So this one, when you open it up, it's all down inside of a bubble wrapped envelope. We'll pull everything out. Okay, so we always get a card like this, and I still haven't had anybody tell me yet what we're supposed to do with these. I always say I don't know what these are for. If somebody knows, let me know. I always just say you can use it for anything, or you can always use the back for scrapbooking. This one here says happiness cannot be traveled to, owned, worn, or consumed. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. Denise Waitley, I'm not sure how you say that name, but that is definitely so true. And I love the little hydrangeas on there. The little flowers look super pretty, and I love the blue. But again, I'm not quite sure what we're supposed to do with these. If anybody knows, let me know. You do have this that goes over the thank you, their social media. You will not have a card that goes over the value in this one, and you do not get the weekly journal prompts. This one does come with glitter gel pens. It's a different style, but it is a set of 10. So you do have all of these colors right here. And it looks like it's by Link, L-I-N-C is maybe the brand. Glitter gels right there. Then you do have a little sticker book here, and this is Us brand. And that is so cute. Look at all those pretty colors. So you start off with page number 1. See, everything is completely different. Nothing is repeated. Here's number 2. I like those colors, and see, look at the little rainbows. So they it kind of matches, but they're not the same. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at the little dream catchers on top. That's so pretty. Is there another one? Nope, that's all. So this one, does it say how many are on here? 86. There's 86 stickers in this sticker set. And now you will have the journal. This one is not a 3-pack. This is a 1-pack. And it says month 12 agenda. Good things are coming. Now the other one looks like they would probably be like the set of 3 that are all just plain inside that just write whatever. So this one I will open so you can see if it's like a calendar inside, since it does say 12-month on it. And then I'll probably just put it back in the plastic and set it with that one to put in the next giveaway. But I love those colors. And yep, it is an actual, yep, there's the calendar. So you can use this as a whole 12-month calendar. There you go. So that is everything that is in the journal junk sack for this month. You have this journal book, you have a sticker set, you have a gel pen set, and then you have this card. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for the journal junk sack for January. So now you can see the difference between the both. Comment down below and let me know which one did you like better. Did you like one item from one versus the other? Let me know what you thought about them. If you want a little bit more information about the journal junk box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that'll get you 15% off if you are interested. Journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Love to decorate your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? Want that positive push to finish your goals and be the best version of you? You'll love this box. So the Journal Junk Sack Mini, that one starts at $27.95. If you do month per month, 6 months will bring it down to $25.95. And if you go to a 12-month plan, it'll bring it down to $23.95 per month. The Journal Junk full-size box is $52.99 month per month, $47.99 if you go to 6 months, and $44.95 for 12 months. Each box does have their own shipping in addition, and the last time I checked, if it's still the same shipping fees, $7.95 is for the sack and $10.95 is for the box. Again, that was the last time I checked what the shipping fee was, but shipping is in addition to either one of those. You can do a bundle if you want to get both of them. If you want to lock in the junk box and sack bundle, it's $71.95. It's billed monthly. You can cancel at any time. And they also have an online shop where you can purchase things individually. So if you didn't want to go to a subscription, but you want to get some cute little office things or get stuff for you or for gifts, you can definitely follow the link below. Check out their online shop, and SheCrafty will get you that 15% off if you are interested. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.